Now, Muhammad Shukri, there is a huge misconception that halal is only about the meat industry.
Okay.
Is that so?
Yeah, it's true. Only for the meat. Formerly, 100 years
Formerly
ago.
for the meat.
At the moment, no. I was in a talk show in France. That was around 6 years ago. And I was saying, come to MIHAS, come to the Malaysia International Showcase. We have 600 booths from 25 countries. We have 25,000 visitors from 65 countries. Everything. And then somebody asked, okay, Mr. Shukri, what is? I say, we have halal meat, we have cosmetics, we have toiletries, we have herbal, we have pharmaceutical product which is halal. And then I put out the phone, the calls start coming in. Why are you giving us so much trouble? Halal meat is so hard to find. You're asking us to look for cosmetics which is halal, toiletries which is halal.
And what you're saying now is South Africa already has these products.
Yes. Can you imagine 7 years ago until now?
Yes.
The world has changed. At that time I said, how can you fill your tummy with halal products but smear your faces with foundation which is not halal and say
Yes.
Allahu Akbar? I mean, absurd. And it's accepted. And mashallah, in every college, alhamdulillah, you're doing this, I want to see MIHAS and everything. And a lot of people from France came. And today, we have a market so different. When I told Dubai, MIHAS is 500 booths, they said, selling meat? I said, no, of course not. I said, why? Then I told them in 5 minutes. I said, I cannot keep on doing this, 5 minutes of daqwa.
Yes.
Today, Dubai, after 10 years of speaking, my first speech, Dubai is trying to be the halal hub of the world. They are trying to be the Islamic capital, economic capital of the world. Understanding what is halal take a long time, but eventually they understand.
Yes.
South Africa can do something about it before the understanding.
South Africa can get in on that.
Before
Businesses in
they
South
go too
Africa-
deep
Yes.
into it. That's the idea.
So there is the space, there's the opportunity for small businesses within South Africa to really grab hold of this and run with it.
Forget about big company. They are there. They can find their own way. You don't support them. They support you, the government. The small companies, if you really mean what you say, that the engine of growth, take their hand.
Will you be working with government on this?
You see, I would not be here if not for the government of South Africa. The government of South Africa, I think, is very, very supportive of your SME. I believe so. You know why? Because the last 2 years, they start coming in to my show and bringing entrepreneurs there. I believe this year, I would really urge them to look into these small people. Because when I started MIHAS, long time ago,
Yes.
2004, I remembered when companies came to me and said, Mr. Shukri, we don't have packaging. Can we come in? At that time, you know what I said? I said, please come in. People look for you. Actually, in my heart, I know something is wrong. I think I'm lying, actually.
But come, be a part of it. Be a part
You know
of
what
it.
happened? I was wrong. Company from Europe and everybody is looking for companies without packaging, for OEM.
Yes.
And then, if you are not regulated, you do not know your taste today is a bit showerish and today a bit salty. They don't mind. They will come as long as you have a company. They'll come and they'll teach you. They'll grow with you. They'll buy a part of you. And a lot of companies from MIHAS was so successful because they don't have a packaging. They were so cheap. And Europeans bought it at a cheap price and sell it very expensive in the country.
Yeah.
And these companies starting to understand how strong they can be, using the money, grow into another level and demand for better price for their product.
Yes. Right now, how big is the halal industry within South Africa and where do you see it going? How big do you see? What
Okay.
growth do you forecast for it?
Okay, now you see, people say, the halal industry is 2.1 trillion, 2.7 trillion. There's so many figures.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you, there's no figures. Nobody will know the figure. You know what they do? They just take the export of OIC countries and say that it's halal. No. Not every export of OIC country is halal.
Yes.
Malaysia have some export which is not halal.
Yes.
All right? South Africa have export which is halal. So
Yes.
the real figure will never be known because this is a new emerging market. For me, halal market is not proper yet. But now, with Dubai coming into the foray, how the Arabs think. They are there, I have to be there also. So this will
How
change.
long before this market takes off?
I tell you, 10 years, at least 10 years. But it will grow to that area. And suddenly it will be very big. Remember, Dubai was unknown before. Today it's known. Same thing will happen to halal market. And at the moment, it is going so fast. I don't know what is the figure is on South African halal market. But I know one thing. The consumer market is very big. For the Muslim market. and definitely they will buy. Now, people are coming back to Islam very enthusiastically, and they will look at the halal logo. And your halal logo, you have two chips there. One chips with a halal logo, one chips with halal logo. The conscience will play with them. They will
Yes.
take the halal logo.
Yes.
So be there.
Okay. Shukran so much, Muhammad Shukran. We hope to have you back in studio soon again to discuss this halal issue even
Thank you
further.
so much for having me here. Thank you.